In this video, we are going to review the task description feature in Finish Line and how you can add and edit the task description options. The task description is built as a two-level hierarchy with default values for each combination. Choosing a unique task description brings up default values of location, subcontractor, and action. For example, let's add a plumbing leak item. Punch on the plan and select the item in the supergrid. As you can see here, a default location, subcontractor, and action is selected. Now you can see the default values for the plumbing leak item: action, repair, replace, location, tank, subcontractor, ABC Plumbing. As an admin, you have an ability to modify the location, subcontractor, and action to suit your project, which is going to save you time on the job site. Starting from the Administrative Tasks menu, click on Task Description. This is the Task Description Manager. Say you want to add a plumbing task. The easiest and quickest way to add a task is to go into an existing task description that is similar to the one you like to add and use the save and copy technique. We're going to add the new task description of plumbing leak. Since we want to add a plumbing task, choose an existing plumbing task like plumbing clogged because it is very similar to what we'd like to create. Click on the small pencil to the right. That's the edit icon. Now we're in the edit task description list. Scroll down and click the save and copy. A confirmation box will appear asking if you want to copy this record. Select OK. We also have a confirmation note at the top stating that the record was copied successfully. Now return to the Task Description Manager. Scroll down to the copied task description, or if you're on a PC, use Control F, or for Mac users, the Command F to use the Find option to speed up the process. Okay, here we are in the plumbing area. As you can see, the new task description has been saved and copied. It's important to notice that the plumbing items are numbered from 1 to 9, so we'll also need to update the item number. Click on the edit icon for the newly saved and copied item. We will need to update a number of things here. Update the task description name and number. Also update the description info. Now let's update the default values of location, subcontractor, and action. Remember that these values become part of the task description. Here's a quick reminder of where they show up when you're adding an item. Change the default resolution activity to suit your new item. Since we are creating a plumbing leak item, we're going to select the generic term of repair. Select our default subcontractor. We'll choose XYZ Plumbing. And for the location item type, we're going to select sink. Then select where the task should be available. We're just going to stick with interior finish. Make a quick review of your updates and save it. There you have it. Our new task description is ready to go. The nice thing about using the save and copy option is that all the settings are carried over during the save and copy action. That's what saves you time, as you only have to update a few fields instead of creating a brand new item from scratch. Just a quick side note to mention, please do not use the save and copy technique while trying to create new subcontractors and users. The save and copy technique is only a good option when the item you're adding is complex enough that you don't want to deal with the variables. Action, tasks, and descriptions are good examples of when to use the save and copy technique. Next up, changing location. Starting from the Administrative Tasks menu, click on Task Description. Now go to the item that you'd like to edit. We're going to change the location of a painting item. Select the pencil icon to edit the item. Scroll down to the default location item type. Click on the drop-down menu and select the new location. We're going to select wall. Now save it. Check to see that the location has been updated. Done.